It's Me Vee, and I'm back with another video. Oops, so y'all, okay. Trying to get this set up. So I made it to the gate. I'm really just making sure like my phone and stuff is charged. I got another hour before my flight comes. I didn't know how long this was gonna take me to get to the check-in, because you know sometimes when you come to the airport they packed, or like there are a lot of people trying to get in the line and stuff, and it's very hectic. So I wanted to make sure I came early. But our flight leaves at, hold on, where my ticket go? Our flight leaves at, well, I started boarding at 1:03, but I think the flight leaves at 1:15 or 1:30, one of them. So I wanted to make sure I left the house at 10:30 and get here by 11 to check in. They'll give me time in case something was wrong, or in case something was wrong with my baggage, or in case something was in my bag that wasn't supposed to, which it was. Let me tell y'all about it. So I'm coming through the checkout. You know, I've been packing my bag for at least a week, and I made sure that I knew there was nothing in there that they would take out. Why have my brand new bottle of lotion? It's like this weed, the ones from Bath and Body Works. It was like this big. It wasn't the little tube with the little squeeze. It was the big one, and she had to throw the entire thing away. I would have rather her kept it for herself instead of throwing it away. Now she did give me an option. She was like, well, you can go to check-in and get a bag and get it checked in. I was like, well, ma'am, I don't want to do that. Like that's too much. Then I have to get out of line, walk all the way back, get behind all those other people, when I just get my little carry-on bag and we can get on the plane. But it just feel like it's too much. She was like, yeah, cause they do charge a lot. She was like, $25. She was like, cause I ain't got $25. And she me either. So that's pretty much what's going on right now. We going to Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I don't know if that's like an hour, maybe 30 minutes away from Miami, maybe. At least that's what I heard when I was talking to the girl. But the girl said they were on their way. Right now it's 12:01. And I also went to Starbucks. You know, I had Starbucks for me. It was like right in front of me when I was walking. So I got me a double smoked bacon croissant sandwich. That's really good if you like some kind of basic. I normally get the Gouda bacon and cheese and egg, but I know the croissant had egg on it too, so that's okay. But I also get the vanilla bean frappe. It's not as cute as it was at first, but you know your girl not supposed to be drinking milk, so we had to like tweak it a little bit, just a little bit. So I got the vanilla bean frappe, and what you get is you get strawberry puree on the top and the bottom. Don't blend it. Just get the vanilla bean frappe, strawberry on the top and the bottom. And then they ask you want whipped cream. Whipped cream just give it that little smooth creamy taste. I put the whipped cream on top of it. But what I do instead of regular milk, I get the oat milk, because you know I'm not supposed to be drinking regular milk. Yes, I got whipped cream, but you know it don't affect me like a little bit. Right now, I'm keep y'all updated. I'll probably come back when it's time to board. So I just made it on the plane. Everybody boarded now. Hope that I get some sleep in later, because you know your girl likes to sleep. And got me a little window. I'll show y'all these skyrockets while we're in there.
The numbers are right here in blue, and then the letters are...
Y'all just made it. We in Fort Lauderdale right now. still gotta drive to Miami, but you know, that's okay, that's okay. I can't really hear on my right ear, so it's like, it feel like I'm muffled, like I got some headphones in or something, like I can't hear nothing. My ears literally popped the whole way down on the plane. Like, it was popping so bad that my eyes was tearing up. Right now we waited at the baggage claim. Oh guys, the sister's with me. And I would just have to keep y'all updated because, you know, we gotta figure out what we're gonna do now. We just gotta get this day started. It's hot in the mud, sweating bullets. I got to go down. We in Miami. Clothes finna get smaller and smaller. Let's get her done.
Grab your phone and text the word lucky to 96551.
We made it to the rental car, y'all.
In Puerto Rico, Jamaica, or Mexico is
We got us a little Hyundai, you know.
That's lucky to 96551. Lucky to 96551. Some restrictions and conditions apply.
We're on our way to the Airbnb because we got chicken and stuff. I'm gonna come back to y'all when we get there. To me, he beat his meat and he checks. You want to look in there first before we get the stuff out?
Airbnb. Go ahead. Go ahead, look in there. Do a little wrap around.
I'm saying to make sure.
Scared
Ain't shit in there.
Scared as hell.
Girl, we gotta be drinking. We ain't gonna remember that shit. There's a gate over there. We gotta be trying to figure out why the sidewalk don't turn this way. Just don't jump. Just don't jump. Under the grass thing. I'm gonna throw up. Got a panic.
Where you go? Okay. Go put the code in. The motherfucker ain't popping up. But they didn't text you the code?
Look, it's lizards out here. They ain't seen the code. It ain't in the thing. In the directions.
Oh, my bad.
Didn't think the door opened that way. Shit. Oh, this looks nice.
It's just a little weird, but
This looks nice.
damn, somebody. We didn't do that.
Huh? Take a picture of it. What you playing by? That's why I said let's inspect before we move our stuff in here. Smell like straight dope in here.
Yeah. Oh, mirror.
I like this kitchen. Come on, y'all. Let's play rock, paper, scissors for the rooms. I'm gonna look at that room in the corner over there. Oh, y'all, the backyard look nice.
Bitch, I wanna sleep with you.
The backyard look nice. This shit. Well, y'all, honestly, it's a mirror in that room.
It is.
In that room. It's bigger than that one. Well, if y'all have this room and they use it out of bathrooms, I can just come in here with y'all. So that'll be straight.
Okay, we got this one right here.
With the keys on the door for Are we allowed to go in there?
Lost the key when it was on charge.
Oh. Did you unlock it first? With the key?
That was one of them with it. You gotta unlock it with the key?
Yeah, that's what the key for.
Shit. I thought it was just to get back in just in case.
And put it back on the hook before we walk over here.
Okay.
It's hot. That was the garage. Y'all, this nice. It's giving to go. It's giving what's supposed to be a game, y'all. I'm very satisfied. Y'all want to go to the backyard?
Yeah.
Where Elizabeth at? Whew. As long as he don't touch me, you stay in your habitat. I'm taking. Baby, there damn iguanas.
Iguana?
See that big iguana? As long as it ain't a dragon. As long as it ain't a dragon.
Damn, there's some dragons.
No, they don't bite. Them right there.
Wow,
But that lizard, that's big as a gecko or some shit. Hope nothing done drop out the tree.
Over there.
Well,
Right there.
well.
You don't see him blended in.
No, where you at?
Up here. Oh, I see it. The green. It was two of them.
Oh, I see him. I see him now. See him now. Can you leave him alone? Leave him alone.
I'm
Leave him
surprised
alone.
I'm even out here with this because I can't even say a frog.
What, you can go swimming in there or something?
Yeah, you can if you want to.
I was just asking a question. Dang.
What was you saying? You said something about the alligators or something.
Who said something about the gators?
You said we finna go swim with the gators.
Yeah, we finna go swim with the gators, boys.
Hell no.
We gonna get this thing in the right way. We come out here to Florida, we gotta do it right. Come see my mirror, girl.
Huh?
You can come look at my mirror.
Let's see her mirror.
We can play some jump pool.
Okay, man.
I'm getting this wrong.
We got air too. Ooh, look at that mirror. Period. It kind of broke that bitch last week. The outfit.
Huh? Take a picture of that for me. Take a picture of that.
And she got like closet space. Period.
Y'all better go and pull y'all sheets back.
Oh yeah. Y'all we gonna wash them hoes while we got the chin.
You got some wash powder?
They got some powder in there.
Well, we're settled in our Airbnb. I hope y'all enjoyed this tour and thank you for coming with me on the plane. And remember, it's me, Vee. Catch y'all later.